Hello, everyone. I'm Victor Bash from the Moment team presenting Counsel, our AI agent for the Microsoft Data and AI Hackathon. Counsel helps attorneys tackle complex legal tasks using artificial intelligence. It's built in C# with an ASP.NET Core backend and a WPF frontend. Let me walk you through a live demonstration. I'll start by selecting Johnson versus Acme from our case management dropdown. Now, I'll use Copilot to generate and upload a legal memorandum that outlines their contract dispute. Let's explore the different modes of our AI agent. I'm switching to paralegal mode. Here, I can ask a complex legal question based on the document. Let me type, analyze whether Johnson could establish promissory estoppel, given Acme's 6 months of payment acceptance despite performance metrics falling below the targets in Schedule A. You'll notice the AI agent is processing the request. Behind the scenes, our C# orchestrator service is routing this query to the paralegal plugin, which uses Azure OpenAI, along with the document context. Now that we've got our answer, let's switch to deep research mode. I'll type another question. What California precedents address whether a 5% deviation from contractual metrics constitutes a material breach sufficient for termination without cure? In this mode, the AI agent uses the Research plugin, which integrates with Azure Search. It finds relevant case law and displays it in the legal research brief canvas on the right. Let's move on to cross-examine mode. I'll switch modes and type, draft counter-arguments to Acme's defense that industry standards should govern performance evaluation. Now, the agent activates the Examine plugin to combine document context with legal reasoning. It then produces these strategic arguments which appear in the canvas. For the last part of our demo, I'll show the scheduling feature. I'll type, schedule a client meeting tomorrow at 9 p.m. to discuss Section 4.2 violations. Counsel will generate a calendar file that works with any major calendar service, making it convenient for all user types. Now let's peek under the hood. Counsel is powered by an ASP.NET Core application, built on .NET 8. We use dependency injection to manage all the moving parts. At startup, our program file initializes the web application, loads Azure service settings, and sets up the middleware pipeline, including controllers and CORS policies to support the WPF client. At the heart of our backend is the semantic kernel, which brings AI capabilities to life through Azure OpenAI. We've configured both chat completion for interactive responses and text embeddings for semantic understanding. Our plugin architecture adds domain-specific intelligence. The paralegal plugin handles contract analysis, the research plugin pulls case law via Azure Search, and the Examine plugin crafts strategic arguments. All of these are registered as singletons and injected into the orchestrator service, the central conductor that sends each query to the right plugin, depending on the mode you're in. It dynamically coordinates every piece so that together, they produce comprehensive legal insights. We chose C# because it gives us seamless control over our AI pipeline, from plugins to Azure services to custom document processing. Legal professionals spend way too much time buried in documents instead of focusing on strategy, and that's exactly what Counsel is built to change. Our Agentic framework mirrors how real legal teams operate, each plugin playing a unique role, orchestrated to solve real problems in real time. Counsel shows how AI agents can revolutionize legal practice by adding intelligence to both document analysis and legal reasoning. Thank you for watching.